This gentleman I'm working with today is dealing with a condition called drop foot. It's where the L5 nerve root gets so compressed that it causes motor loss. Now, he endured this injury from a chiropractic adjustment gone wrong. They pushed so hard that it not only fractured his back, but it led to a disc extrusion requiring neurosurgery. Now, this procedure was done in March, and he's come a long way, but had guidelines been followed set forth by the American Medical Association, the World Health Organization, and the American Physical Therapy Association, where we do not manipulate individuals over the age of 65, or with progressive lumbar radiculopathy past the knee, we wouldn't have been in this situation. Either way, he's making really good progress, and I wanted to walk you through today's session. We started off with some modalities to help facilitate collagen synthesis and angiogenesis near the L5 nerve root. From the injury, he sustained loss of motion in the ankle. So we've been working on some posterior chain stretches, some ankle mobilizations, and now we're doing some quad stretching. The most important exercise that he's done so far is reactivation of the tibialis anterior, shown here by this pulsing motion. We tried many different techniques, and I think the coolest thing you can see today is that tibialis anterior tendon is activating on its own. Now, it's taken him several months just to get back here, and today was a very successful day. Initially, we couldn't even feel the pulse on the dorsal pedis or post-tib artery due to the severe swelling in his ankle, but since we've got the motion back, not only has the swelling gone down, but his gait has improved. We're working on a lot of different things, including quad stretching, hip flexor stretching, QL stretching. He also is dealing with something called the diastasis recti, which is a split in the abdomen, so we're doing some core strengthening here as well. But the highlight of the video is this ankle mobility. When we started, he was negative 10 degrees, and even through the stretching right here of the gastroc and soleus, you can see that knee is actually almost getting to the toe, so great progress has been made. We're also working on a little bit of balance and lumbar rotation, just to help facilitate repair of the disc that had been injured. And finally, getting into some ankle mobilization. As you can see, the knee's almost to the toe. Reach out with any questions. Aloha.